Hi everyone, I'm Allison Hughes, a learning strategist on the Evolve 365 team at Planet Technologies. And today I'm going to show you one of my favorite features in Power BI, the Q&A tool. If you've ever wished you could just ask your data a question and get an instant answer, this is going to make you very happy. So what is Q&A? It's a super handy feature in Power BI that lets you type a natural language question just like you'd ask a colleague. And Power BI will generate an answer for you on the spot. No complicated formulas, no digging through menus, just ask and get your insights. Let's jump in. First, I'll add the Q&A visual to the page so you can see how easy it is to use. Over on the right, in the visualizations pane, I'm going to click on the icon labeled Q&A. It looks like a little chat bubble. I'll drop it right here on the canvas and resize it so we just have a little bit of room to play with. Now let's ask our first question. Country with the highest sales. And look at that. It instantly gives me a clear answer. Pretty cool, right? Let's delete that. And let's try a different one. Year with the lowest sales. (2019). Power BI understands what I want and it gives me an answer. This is perfect for getting quick answers without having to filter through all the data. Quick tip, if the Q&A box doesn't recognize a term, you can click the settings wheel in the Q&A visualization and choose the synonym options. For example, if my data set calls it revenue, but I usually say sales, I can add sales as a synonym. That way Q&A understands my language. See, that's the Q&A feature in Power BI. Fast, pretty intuitive, and honestly kind of fun. Give it a try and see how much time you save. Now, for you to try, what's the first question you'd like to ask your data? Thanks for watching.